Are you ready to see how we spent the week? In Master Azerbaijani Weekly Recap, let's see what we learned. We learned Bayram, vacation, holiday or break. We learned Ağzıgöyçək, doom mongers. We learned Canlı for broadcasting, live and lively. We learned Tətil, which can be also holiday and break and vacation. We learned Həftə, week, which is 7-day period. We learned Gələcək, something is a noun and also a verb, future or will come. We learned Öyrənmək. That's the learning itself, to study and find out. Ready, set, go. My alarm refuses to work. Apparently it's on Tətil too. Every day I have no meeting is like a day. It's like a bayram for me. The party was so Canlı that even the houseplants asked for earplugs. My Ağzıgöyçək aunty again predicted that something bad would happen today. Guess what? It actually did. This Həftə you learned at least 20 new words. That's a promise. All right? Now, which word also means broadcast? Drop in the comments below if you know the answer. But next week we're starting with brand new set of words, brand new topic. Make sure come back and to check what words those will be. And then stay tuned for a week because consistency is fluency. Thanks so much for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new set of words. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com where I post every 10 days. If you're serious to learn Azerbaijani, there are ways, tips, and tricks that will help you make it way easier. Until then, cheers.